How will you show the rest of the Philippines and the world the true essence of a Batangueña? If you are crowned tonight, how will you show the rest of the Philippines and the world the true essence of a Batangueña?
If I win Miss Universe Philippine Batangas tonight, I believe that true essence of a Batangueña is more than just a physical appearance. It is all about the pure soul of Batangueña, especially being a compassion. Just from my experience, I see Batangueños extending their helps, especially to those who are in needs, which is my advocacy for persons with disabilities. And I want to use this platform to raise awareness for persons with disabilities, especially to cerebral palsy, and to extend support to the caregivers who dedicate their lives to them, who work silently in the background, carrying emotional and physical weight. And I believe everyone, regardless of their abilities, deserve to be seen, to be loved, and to be heard. And I believe if we create a universe where everyone, every Batangueña practices their values, we can create a better world. Thank you.
Thank you so much.